Welcome to the Autumn 2025 construction update at Vista Del Mar, Phuket. This time, the meeting started right on site in just the right part of the project. Major progress has been made here. Just take a look at these before and after shots. Villa 10 continues to rise beautifully, with the roof now ready. Two more villas, along with the main road, are actively taking shape. You can clearly see the transformation over the past few months. Heading to the upper part of the project, Villa 17 is now in the furniture installation phase, with all windows and doors successfully completed. We're excited to see the final result next month. Next is Villa 21, where the second floor is already taking shape. We can now walk through the villa and enjoy the amazing sea view, a signature feature of all Vista Del Mar villas. The construction of the interior walls is nearing completion, and their plastering will begin very soon. We wrapped up our construction meeting at our cozy office, discussing adjustments and the next milestones ahead. If you're interested in buying a sea view villa at Vista Del Mar, contact us for an online or in-person tour.